Hey guys, today's video is IELTS speaking full mock test. If you want to achieve 7 plus in your speaking, then do watch this video. This video is brought to you by IELTS Jonty. What's your full name?
My name's Sukhvinder Kaur.
Let's talk about games. What games are popular in your country?
In my nation, certain games such as cricket, lawn tennis, hockey are quite popular as people are, since their childhood, are fond of watching games and playing sports in the sports ground.
Do you play any games?
I vividly remember when I was only 12 years of age, my parents insisted me to play lawn tennis, and since that time, I was much fond of watching it as well as to play it physically in the ground.
How do people learn to play games in your nation?
In my country, certain people are more fond of watching sports on the television as well as on internet services such as YouTube and other channels. So people in this particular time are more sports minded because they have subscribed to certain channels which almost shows the basic training skills of certain sports.
Do you think it is important for people to play games?
Games indeed play a pivotal role in any individual's personality, in shaping basically the personality of an individual, because with the help of playing sports, one's body's metabolism and immune system gets stronger, as well as the muscle mass and the endurance gets boosted up.
Okay, let's talk about giving gifts. When do people give gifts in your country?
In my nation, there are certain occasions, for example, on the occasion of Diwali, most of the individuals they like to exchange gifts with each other in the forms of uh, certain souvenirs or portraits of religious gurus and certain sceneries that depicts tranquility. And this basically this process of exchanging gifts gave them immense pleasure.
When did you last receive a gift?
It was nearly 3 months ago when my best friend gifted me a beautiful fragrance scent, and that was my favorite because it was my favorite brand of Elizabeth Arden, which I am using since my uh, near childhood.
Do you enjoy looking for gifts for people?
I have to say that depends on the things because I am a kind of person who does not much believe in receiving gifts, but giving gifts to the people. But yes, at certain points, for example, if my birthday is approaching, then I certainly seek some kind of gifts from my family and my brother and sisters and near dear friends.
What is the importance of gifts in your nation?
Well, it's a kind of gesture by which the other person can have a remembrance of certain things in their lives. For example, on the occasion of Guru Nanak Dev's birthday, if someone gifts you a beautiful portrait of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, then it's a kind of remembrance or a kind of gesture with which, if we consecutively see it another successive in the successive years, we try to remember the same things in that particular year in which we received the gift.
Okay, that is the end of part 1. Part 2, cue card. Describe something you did that was new or exciting. You should say what you did, where and when you did this, who you shared the activity with, and explain why this activity was new or exciting for you. So you have 1 minute to prepare, then you have to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, start.
Exciting things are quite important in anybody's life because these provide a certain kind of thrill and pleasure as well as happiness in individuals' lives. So, one such exciting thing which I uh, did or which I uh, did in the near future, in the near past, was as I am a non-vegetarian kind of person, I believe in eating all the non-vegetarian stuffs and preparing certain dishes at home. So what I was lacking earlier was that I never tried to grill chicken home. For that, I wanted some certain equipment which I was not in favor of buying from the market, and I had certain things with me with which I could develop it at home with the help of my friends and my family. So I vividly remember, and I want to share this moment with you that I recently been to my countryside home, the village named Inakhida. So I was very excited because at that particular moment and times where we can enjoy the most with our family and friends in a way if we want to dine together. So the recent this equipment we developed with the help of the family and my best friend was certain fine kind of grilled equipment with which we can grill chicken in a way and we could eat at that particular moment. So I vividly remember there is a big fish farm of ours where we can take care of the fish over there. There, me, my friend, and my family members, my brother and sisters, we went there and tried to equip the model system of the grill, where we started to make it in a way, and we made it in certain way that it came up to be a very uh, finer equipment in which we could simply put the pieces of the chicken, may it be on a steel stick, as well as we can simply put it on a direct on the.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of part 2. Part 3, abstract talk, in which I will ask you some follow up questions. So, my first question: why do you think some people like doing new things?
New things are quite important for anybody to accomplish because new things gives us certain kind of thrill and energy with which we can complete it in certain forms. So as I already mentioned in the cue card, it was in my mind to uh, come up with this particular equipment of my own rather than buying from the market. It gave me immense kind of satisfaction that uh, I brought something of my own mind with the game of my mind as well as my skills. So I think with the certain skills such as um learning and drawing things of your own gives you certain kind of energy.
What problems can people can have when try new things?
I think certain people come up with the lack of the information regarding the same. If that person has, but that's also not a case. If one has to come up trying new things in one's life, then that person has certainly can search things on online media. For example, these days, certain apps are there with the help of which one can come up with learning the techniques and skills of new things. So it's not that difficult for anybody to complete the things they want to try on the newer forms.
Do you think it is best to do new things on your own or with other people?
That also depends on one's own mindset, because if you are new, if certain things are in your mind, you could try it on your own on the first basis. This is mainly because if we want to try something of your own, first we should put our efforts on doing it. If we are unable to complete the things, then we could also come up and take certain kind of help from the people around. For example, our friends and our family or mentors can help us in achieving the same. So I think both the things can help the people in trying new things.
Okay, my last question. Some people say that it is more important to be able to learn new things now than it was in the past. Do you agree or disagree with statement?
According to me, Indeed, there is no doubt in it that in this today's world, newer things are better to learn, because the online media, the internet services have come up in a way to help individuals to seek a certain kind of opportunities to learn from there, instead of going to attend some physical classes over certain phases or certain teachers. And this is also well exemplified by the certain experts, in which they claim that uh, online media, as compared to the last decade, has served more than 70% of the problems which people used to feel and come up in the older times. But in today's era, it's comparatively easy for everybody to learn things with the help of social media.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your speaking test. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel Oils Jaunty.